Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Solve each equation. Part A, 5x plus 3 equals 2x plus 18. Part B, 7 minus 4y equals 2y minus 11. Part C, 6 times the quantity w minus 2 equals 3w plus 6. Identify the solution, or state if it has no solution or infinitely many solutions. Now let us work through the solutions step by step. When a variable appears on both sides of an equation, we collect all variable terms on one side and all constants on the other, then solve. There are two special cases to watch for. If simplifying produces a true statement with no variable left, the equation has infinitely many solutions. If it produces a false statement, it has no solution. For part A, we have 5x plus 3 equals 2x plus 18. We subtract 2x from both sides to gather the x terms on the left. This gives us 3x plus 3 equals 18. Next, subtract 3 from both sides to get 3x equals 15. Dividing both sides by 3 gives x equals 5. We verify by substituting back. 5 times 5 plus 3 equals 28, and 2 times 5 plus 18 also equals 28. Both sides match, so x equals 5 is correct. For part B, we have 7 minus 4y equals 2y minus 11. Subtracting 2y from both sides collects the y terms on the left, giving us 7 minus 6y equals negative 11. Subtracting 7 from both sides gives negative 6y equals negative 18. Dividing both sides by negative 6 gives y equals 3. Checking, 7 minus 4 times 3 equals negative 5, and 2 times 3 minus 11 also equals negative 5. Both sides match, confirming y equals 3. For part C, we have 6 times the quantity w minus 2 equals 3w plus 6. We start by distributing the 6 times w minus 6 times 2, giving us 6w minus 12 equals 3w plus 6. Subtracting 3w from both sides gives 3w minus 12 equals 6. Adding 12 to both sides gives 3w equals 18. Dividing by 3 gives w equals 6. Checking 6 times the quantity 6 minus 2 equals 24, and 3 times 6 plus 6 also equals 24. The solution is confirmed. Here is a summary. Part A gives x equals 5, Part B gives y equals 3, Part C gives w equals 6. All three are conditional equations with exactly one solution each. None of them turned into a false or always true statement during solving. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.